Hey guys, well, welcome to another video. This one is not really Tesla related, so if it's not of interest to you, feel free to skip it if you want, but I will talk about electric cars here in just a moment. As you can see, beautiful mountains behind me. If you've never been here before, oh, you're missing out. This is beautiful, world famous Stanley Park in Vancouver, BC, and I have to tell you, if you're ever in the area, Pacific Northwest, whatever, you have to come and see this park. It is absolutely stunning. As you can see here, we got the bay here behind me. A little bit of an overcast day, but that's okay because it's certainly warmer than home. So I did say this was not going to be a Tesla related video, but I will talk about electric cars because one of the things I've noticed here in British Columbia is the variety of electric cars. I've seen a Spark, I've seen Bolts, Leafs, Teslas, of course, everywhere, and lots of public charging stations. It's literally everywhere here. This is, I mean, outside of California, this is probably one of the best places you'll find electric cars. You know, speaking of all things electric, check out this awesome electric bike ride that was loaned to me by Peter Levy from the Model 3 Man YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. I'll put a link in the description. This guy, I mean, I can't say thank you enough, Peter, for lending me this bike to use for this week, since I'm waiting for Ian to get out here so we begin our cross-country ride. But check out this bike. I mean, it's an electric bike company. It's made out of the States. It's a bright red, so it certainly gets lots of attention here. Got a great big lithium-ion battery pack here in the back. Comfortable seat for my butt. Got a great big basket here in the front so I can put some groceries in there. Got a bike lock. He loaned me his helmet, for crying out loud. I mean, this is awesome. Look at this. Even a spot to put my my cell phone and stuff. Really handy when I'm traveling from that side of Vancouver all the way around here to Stanley Park using my cell phone. So huge shout out and thank you for Peter for loaning me this bike here for the week. I really appreciate it. Please guys, follow him on Twitter, subscribe to his YouTube channel. I can't say enough. I mean, what more can you say? Well, that's the end of the vlog, guys. I know it's not Tesla related, but what do you want? I gotta kill some time here in Vancouver. It's actually beautiful here. I'm gonna explore a little bit more. Anyways, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.